What is an API? I'll explain it with a simple example so that you can understand easily. So let's dive in. Hi, this is Srishanth Reddy and welcome to Srishanth Tech Hub. What is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. Don't worry hearing about the big words. It is just like a helper that connects two apps or systems to work together. I'll take a simple example to make it more simple. Imagine you went to a restaurant and called the waiter and ordered a pizza. The waiter goes to the kitchen and brings the fresh pizza for you. Here you didn't prepare the pizza, you just ordered it with the waiter and he brought it for you. So here the waiter is an API and you are the website, and the kitchen is another system that is having a real world data. So API connects a system to the another site to show the real time data. Do you understand? Now I'll tell you a real world example. While you wanna check weather in your area, you just opens weather app and search for your location. For example, you searched for Hyderabad, Telangana. Now, as you click on the location, you will get whole weather data in the app. Here weather app is not having the data. The data is in another system, and as you click on the location, a weather API requests to the system to give the weather data in Hyderabad, Telangana. And the same API shows the data in the app. So now you can understand what exactly an API is. And you know what? We are using an API regularly in our day-to-day life. Yes, if you wanna log in or sign up to any site, it asks you to log in with Google. Here, the particular site is using Google's sign up API. So this is what an API is. So that's all for the video. I hope this video has added some value for you. If yes, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And stay updated with Srishanth Tech Hub. And still, if you have any doubts, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next one. Bye bye.